Where is it? No. Where did she put it? Babe!
Yeah, babe.
Have you seen my Manscaped?
The what?
My Manscaped!
What's that?
What's Manscaped, you ask? Well, let me tell you. She may not know what Manscaped is, but y'all should know what Manscaped is. Well, she do know what Manscaped is, because every time I Manscape, she's all like, oh my God, it looks so beautiful. I want to touch it. I don't know if I should say that. That's called tapping in. You need to tap into Manscaped. It's the end of 2021, and I'm telling you, because I love you. And I want you to succeed in 2022. It's time to Manscaped. What your beautiful eyes are looking at is the Manscaped Perfect Package 4.0 kit. Look at what we got. Crop preserver. This is ball deodorant. You put deodorant under your arms, I hope. Put it on your balls. Next up, the crop reviver. You spray cologne on, don't you? Cologne your balls. Spray it on there, you know what I mean? After a shower, you hit it with the lotion. Then after that, you hit it with some Cologne. But before you do all that, we got the Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0. You mow the grass, don't you? Mow your lawn. The Lawnmower 4.0 packs some heat. Straight heat. This right here will get you right. Trust and believe me, I would go into detail, but I can't be too explicit on the tools of you him. But just know, with advanced skin-safe technology, complete wirelessly charging, travel lock feature, so if you hit it once, it won't turn on. You have to hit it 3 times and unlock that John like I did. Hit it 3 times and it's back to lock. And since I'm so kind, I want y'all to get 2 free gifts if you order right now with promo code Zosh. First link down in the description box below, you get 2 free gifts and free shipping. Oh, you don't live in the States? Say less. Manscaped does offer international shipping. Take care of yourself. I refuse to let any of my homies go into 2022 without being Manscaped. You like having fun with buns, don't you? I'm sure you do. And we ain't talking hamburgers and hot dogs. We talking hog ties and hog maws. Exactly. Get involved. Link down below. Manscaped.com/Zosh. Use promo code Zosh at checkout. You're welcome. Enjoy your 2 free gifts and your free shipping. And thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. Good morning, Puthos. Rise and shine. Today is a beautiful day. Today is December 22nd. Wow, what Vlogmas is coming to an end. 25 days of uploads. It's coming to an end, but don't worry, because I'm still gonna try to do up daily vlogging as much as I can, because bro, we're pledging allegiance to the bag. Today a lot is going on. I have to go to the bank, open up a joint account so we can get the bills and all that stuff in one account. Bada beam, bada boom. Buy a PS5. Go buy my niece's gift for Christmas. Then we gotta go to Chick-fil-A breakfast. Huge apologies for the audio of yesterday's vlog. That was not it, brother. That was not it. I'm glad y'all still stuck with me through, man. I'm glad y'all stuck with me through. I need to brush my hair.
Whistle while you twerk. Hey, yo.
You sus.
I don't wanna stop from zero.
No copyright here, baby. This unreleased St. John. Can't get copyrighted.
That's a lie. Look at that Honda, not a Accord.
That's the one we seen at the car show, right?
I think.
Oh, that shit fresh. I went to the wrong damn one. Oh, Lord.
Babe,
I'm sorry.
it's already 10:21.
I'm sorry, boo-boo. I'm taking that ass to Starbucks. Oh,
I don't
Lord.
want Starbucks food.
I know, my bad, dog.
Ew. Why you mad?
Cause we had big filet, and I ain't even want none.
Damn, you look dark. You look toasted.
I think that's just a screen, because every time I sit down on the vlog, I'm like, oh, you can't even see something. You can actually see it, so.
Babe, are you mad because you spent guala on me? Chick-fil-A.
Guala? Damn! I spent guala. Look at that. I spent $13.85, bruh. $13.85. You only got 2 things.
I got 10 count.
Lowest chick in my ass. I got better click hold on my fingers than I do on my cars.
Model them with the
great.
hybrid racing.
That shit kind of gay.
Cheek City.
Cheek City. Yeah, you can. You may think you can't, cause on the camera, watch when I edit the
Look
vlog.
at my beautiful fingers. Look at them. Sun gleaming.
She's sucking me dry, y'all. And I am the good sucking. Dinero sucking. Dinero. Mucho dinero. No gracias.
Sun slipping all day.
Oh.
With some Chick-fil-A sauce.
Big filet. Big
Chick-fil-A.
B. It's big filet.
It's Chick-fil-A.
It's big filet.
Look at that.
So right now, just dropped my sister off to get her car. Then run an errand. Now it's time to go pick up the PS5. I was talking to baby girl. I was talking to my sister, and they made a valid point. So the PS5 I'm getting is kind of a little bit too expensive. It's around $850, right? If I do $10 for 100 spots, that's $150 profit. Not even, because I gotta ship it. So it's like $100 profit. I gotta make money too. We don't know that. When the business in 2021, 22, the goal is to make that moolah and still help yo foolah. You feel me? So I might have to do like maybe $20 a spot, 100 spots. That should be somewhat decent. I like to be transparent with y'all, so y'all know where my heart is at and things of that nature, so you don't feel like you're getting scammed and all this in the third, because hell, you know what I mean? But hopefully this guy sells us the PS5. It's someone I can find for the price. Everyone wants the same damn price. So I try to lowball a little bit, 750, 700, nope. 800, nope. 825, maybe. But the guy didn't get back to me. But 850 seems like the price is going, which is still crazy. But if we get it, we'll be solid. If not, it is what it is. I tried, but we'll see what's up. You lower this thing, it'll look nice. Alright, so unfortunately the guy who I was buying the gift from my niece is out until basically an hour and 15 minutes. So right now we stopped at this PNC Bank. We're gonna get open up a joint checking account so we can put money into for like bills, house expenses, things of that nature, so we can have a set bank account where I say we ain't gotta send each other money like that. It could just all go to one account, and then whenever we needed something for the house, we could just go into that account while we have our personal accounts and our savings accounts and things of that nature. So we're adulting today, my G's. We are adulting today. So I bank at PNC. Wells Fargo is straight ass. So if you have Wells Fargo, leave. They're straight ass.
Super facts.
But hey, let's do this.
Cold pizza Tuesday.
Okay, so just now leaving the bank. Unfortunately, they couldn't. I guess the lady, or their software or something couldn't.
Banker.
Yeah, couldn't register my email address. Not my email, but my housing address. Something weird like that. So I got to go to another PNC bank. But we got the joint account. She got her account. I just got to go get my card and my name on the account to make it actually a joint account. Because right now it's a solo account, which is, you know. But yeah, that happens when you get in a relationship where, you know, it's serious AF and y'all got things to pay off, like a whole ass mortgage. But yeah, electricity. Yeah. So instead of like me sending her money to her account, we have a joint account, and then we can put money in a savings in that joint account in case we want to go like on a nice little weekend vacation type thing. We'll have money, so we can still have our own personal money and our own savings, and then we have like a joint savings account and a joint checkings account. So yeah, adulting, baby. Now I'm gonna go pick up my gift for my niece, and then from there we're gonna go pick up the PS5, and then I gotta go by another PNC bank, and then that should be today's vlog. In a sense, we gotta do stuff for our business. We gotta start the new YouTube channel with me and her, food adventures and stuff like that. I forgot what it's called, Percy and Hand Food Diaries or something like that. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, that's what's going on for today. Ooh.
And we're gonna save money for the baby.
What?
Yeah.
What baby? What baby?
The baby Zosh is coming next week. And for our wedding.
Fellas, check y'all ladies' forehead. They might be showing symptoms of bovid.
Babe,
Oh, you kind of hot.
You said you were gonna give me a baby yesterday.
Yeah. A baby bottle pop. Baby bottle pop.
Hello.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's been like, all right. If you live in Florida, this might be controversial. Subway over Publix.
What?
Mm-hmm.
No. Babe being a sweetheart, he's gonna go help someone who's, I think, coolant or something. Started, I don't know, leaking in front of us, and then her car shut off. So, good civilian duties. This is what I call good people. You see that? Another person came to help out. I'm proud of Babe. Well, he is a great person, but see, just spread kindness, okay? Especially in these hard times that we're all going through. And just in the world that we're living in, we need kind-hearted people. Just help someone out, okay, guys? It does not take much to help someone out at all. Do your good due diligence, and God will reward you. And you don't do it for the reward, you just do it something naturally out of your heart. Why am I speaking prophecy over here? But anyways, yep, that it. Babe's pie.
I'll send you $1 first, see if it goes through, and I'll send you the rest.
Oh, I got to do it again because, you know, page of the prophecy. Babe, secure the bag.
Secured the bag, babe. Yeah, so we were driving, and then I saw a lady's car like pissing out. I thought it was coolant. Like, yo, her car's about to shut off, or oil. Something like, yo, her car's about to shut off. So she was just pissing it out. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna help her. My mom was like, okay, I'm gonna help her in case she breaks down. Lo and behold, she broke down. So I helped push her from, I don't know, probably like, I don't know, 2, 3, maybe 300 feet or something like that. Got my damn gym workout in there, I'll tell you that much. But it was a mom, and like she was like, oh, I just got it done. I'm like, whoever did it left the damn cap loose. So all her transmission fluid is gone. And you know, if you have an automatic car, transmission fluid, torque converter, it needs that fluid. If not, your car sensors took a crap. So her car wouldn't go into neutral. So I was like, okay, in case it ever happen again, I want you to pop open this thing, put your key in there, and then you'll be able to move the prindle. I call it a prindle.
Go, babe.
The gear shift. Oh, what I'm doing? The gear lever, gear shifter, whatever you want to call it, down. So I got her in neutral, and then some dude pulled on side of us and helped.
Another nice civilian.
Yeah. All right, just now leaving the PNC next to the house from my mom's old house. Colby, if you're watching, give wifey a kiss on the cheek. She got us situated, got my card. I finally got the account info stuff situated, so thank you. And now we're gonna go, well, we got PS5, we got Apple's gift, we got bank account stuff done. It's already 3:45. We started our day at like 11ish, around there. So we're pretty good on time. Now I have to get my mom something else. I want to get her something else for Christmas, and then probably knock out a few other people, and then we got to do her stuff. Then I got to edit this vlog, and then that's it. So also got to put up the image of the PS5 giveaway thing. But if you guys want to enter, there will be information down below to enter the waffle giveaway thing. I don't know which one. The faster I close, I can one day ship that thing to somebody, and they'll get it either the day after Christmas or Christmas Day. Today is the 22nd, so if I close it out today, I'll ship it tomorrow, and you'll either get it one day on the you'll get it the 24th. So if whoever I go with provide whatever. Nah. So we're in tradition. I've been trying to find some Christmas pajamas, but can't find anything at all. We are back home, no pajamas. We couldn't find anything, unfortunately. So we'll probably end up going out tomorrow. But the PS5 giveaway is live, and it's 5 winners. $20 to enter the thing, 5 winners. You could either, the first place winner get PS5 or $550. From second place to 5th place, you get $50. So 5 winners can take cash prizes. One can take a PS5, another could take, the 4 other winners can take cash prizes. So hopefully this helps 5 people out there increase their holiday spirits, get last minute gifts or anything of that nature. I'm trying the best way to benefit both people here, because that thing was not cheap. It resale value, it ain't like how it was a year ago when people was buying them for like $1,000. I got this one for $850, so it's not too bad.